Tell me about your snacks, Madison. What are you eating?
Yeah.
Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
What are they?
Nuts.
What type of snacks, though?
Tangled.
Tangled snacks? They have princesses in them?
That's Jasper. Jasper.
Jasper?
Yes.
Huh? You are so cute. Slow down, baby. Blow me a kiss.
Tangled. Rocker.
Slow down, baby. They're good, huh?
There's more.
You want some more? Yeah?
Pops.
You want pirate booty? Do you want pirate booty?
Yeah. Come on.
Bye-bye.
Come on, Mommy.
Okay, I love you.